Create a digital planner using free Canva and Keynote. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a free digital planner using Canva and Keynote. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go onto Canva and you're going to log on to your account. So after that, you can search for planner and you can have like their standard size, but I like to add my own custom size from over here. So you're just going to click on custom size over here, and I like to create a 28 by 21 inch landscape kind of planner. You can choose any other measurement of your own preference. I just like this, so I'm just going to click on create new design. So this is going to open up your simple little canvas for you to begin working on. Now, if you want this to look like this, you can keep it as is. If you want like to create separate pages, you can do that as well. I like to create like a notebook kind of look. I like a rustic look, and you can see in the templates over here, they're giving me planner templates, but I'm not going to go for them. I'm going to go for my own look. So I'm going to go into the element section and I'm going to search for notebook. And once I search for a notebook, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a look at the different elements that are available, and I'm going to first off change the color of the canvas onto like a light beige kind of color. And now I'm just going to take this little page over here that it looks like a notebook, and I'm just going to place it on top. So I'm just going to use this cute little page as a overlay for my notebook. I think I'm going to go with another one instead of this one. So there are like quite a different types of notebooks that you can choose from. So you can place any one of those on top of your canvas over here and place it right at the center like that. And there are other options you can go for as well if you want. I like this one, so I'm going to continue with this. Now, after I've added that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on duplicate page, and I'm just going to duplicate this simple page 5 times. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the cover of my planner. For the cover of my planner, you can choose to make it simple as well if you want, but if you want, you can keep it like that so it matches like the overall look. And I'm going to go into my elements and I'm going to search for water paint, and you can see there are quite a few different choices. You can go into the graphics section for more like cute little animations, and I like this one. I think this looks cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it and I'm going to place it right over here like this, and I can write like some text over here if I want, or maybe I'm going to add like florals. I think that's going to look cuter. So I'm going to search for painting and I'm going to go into graphics, and I am just going to take these cute little colors and I'm going to use these over here at the borders, and I'm going to do Command C and Command V, or Control C and Control V, and I'm just going to place these at the bottom as well, and I'm going to do Control V again and I'm going to place these at the top at both sides. And I'm just gonna add like some more paint strokes on my pages. So with that little paint stroke I've picked out, I have some more that I can choose from. So I'm just gonna keep on looking until I find like a cute design that I like. I can click on see all over here, and I'm just gonna place this like over here. I'm going to just add all of those elements like so, and I'm just going to click on text over here, and I'm going to add this font combination, and I'm going to write Jane's Planner, and now I'm just going to reduce the font size, so like that, or you can just reduce it like so. Jane's Planner. I think this looks pretty cute. And you can add like more text elements, or I can add like a quotation over here, but I'm gonna skip that, or I'm just gonna add simple text quotation instead of making it too fancy. So I've added this simple little text over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to my second page and I'm going to actually begin adding my planner pages. So this is going to be a basic monthly overview. And on this page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the element section. I am going to take a look at this cute little design over here. I'm going to make it fit one page over here, and then I'm going to add the month that we are in, and it's going to be on top of this simple little paint swab. I'm going to place that at the bottom like this, and I'm going to go into the text section. I'm going to add my simple little text, and I'm going to add let's say this is for March, and I'm going to add this text over here. So I'm just going to select this box and I'm going to place it right over here. And obviously you can change the colors and all that. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some simple text. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the date. So it's going to be 1. First I'm going to ungroup these, and then I'm going to select it individually. So now I'm just going to zoom in to show you guys. So I'm going to increase the font size of this block like so. I'm going to make it like a singular line, and I'm going to do 1 February or 1 whatever the month is. So let's say currently it's February, whatever day it might be. So 1 Monday. I'm just making this random. I'm not actually following the actual days. So like that, you're just going to select it then, and then you're going to do Control C or then Command C. So select it, pick out the entire box, Control C, Control V, and then you're going to place it in the bottom line, and then you're going to change this to Tuesday. Or you can just, instead of writing the entire day, you can just denote it with letters. So it could be 2 T or first M. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this entire page out with the dates. So once I do that, I'm going to get back to you guys in a second once I actually fulfill all of these out. So once I've added this first page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my second page, which is going to be the financial page. So I just like to leave the financial page like this, and I'm just going to add some basic text on top of the financial page. It's going to be financial, and I'm going to ungroup these elements, and I'm just going to take this over here, make it like so, and I'm going to add financial, and then I'm going to add planning. And I'm just going to expand this, contract it, and then add it like here. Now, once I've added my pages, obviously you can add more pages according to the planner that you want. I'm just going to delete this and leave it at 3 pages. So once you do that, you're just going to click on download, and you're going to download this PNG. And once you've downloaded it as a PNG, you're going to go into your Keynote application. So once you have Keynote, you're just going to go into new document over here. And I'm just going to open up this file over here. So just like that, I have that file. Now going into my Keynote once more, I'm going to take the basic white presentation, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of these elements over here, and I am just going to click on media, and I'm going to go into my photos, or you can just go into your media gallery, image gallery, whatever you might want to call it. So you can just add those over here, and then you're just going to add the planner pages. So before you do that, what you can do is you're gonna add your slide, then you're gonna add the second slide over here. So now all you have to do on your Keynote application is that you're just gonna add 3 simple pages, or however many pages you have. You're gonna go into your media section, you're gonna click on choose, you're gonna go into your downloads, the Jane's downloads, and I'm gonna add the first page over here, and I'm just going to insert it like so. And obviously you can reduce the page size or however you want to format it. That's totally up to you. You can format it later, but I'm just going to first off add my little page sides. So I'm just going to add all 3 of these pages over here. Financial planner, and then we have the last page, which is the monthly overview, like this. And after that, you need to add your hyperlink. So I like to use the white borders. I like to change the color to black, and then you're going to add your hyperlink. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to insert shape. You're just going to take this black little box over here, and you can expand it like so, and then you're just going to click on Control C and then Control V, or Command C, Command V. And then you're just going to click on this box, and you're going to click on format. You're going to see the text style over here, and then you're going to see the arrangement. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take these boxes, and I'm going to do a right click, and then you're just going to click on add link. You're going to add the slide, and then you're going to add next slide, and go to next slide. And then on the next slide, you're going to add the same blocks over and over, and that's how easy it is for you to create your little journal using Canva and Keynote. It's a simple and easy process, and Command C or Command V, and then add this to the rest of your pages as well. So you're just going to do Control C or Command C and Command V, and like this I have a forward moving page, and this is how easy it is to create your journal or digital planner using Keynote and Canva. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.